Okay guys, so here is our finished makeup look. So the first thing we're gonna do is apply moisturizer to our face. I'm using this Pond's cream for dry skin. And now for primer, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm gonna be using this new one, new for me. This one is from Lancome. It has an SPF 15 and it says that it lasts up to 24 hours. So we'll see if that's true. So I'm just applying it, about 2 pumps, and we'll see if this is enough. So now with my makeup sponge, I'm just going to blend the foundation. I feel like this sponge is like absorbing most of the product, so I'm just gonna take one more pump and I'm gonna distribute all around my face. So now we're going with another new product. This one is from NARS and I have it in the little box. It's a concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. So we're gonna be trying it. I got it in the shade Custard, which is medium 1. So I'm gonna apply it on my forehead, my nose, my under eyes. So again, with my makeup sponge, I'm just blending the concealer. And also you can blend it into your lids. That way we can use this as a base for the shadows. Okay, so now that we have our foundation and also the concealer on, I'll be taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm gonna be applying it where we apply the concealer using my makeup sponge. Okay, so now we're gonna be using the Fenty Beauty contour stick and I have this one in the shade Truffle. It's a little bit dark, but I really like it. So we're gonna be applying it on our forehead, on our nose and chin. And now with this brush, I'm just gonna blend everything. And okay, you guys, you have to do this before setting your face, but I forgot, so this is a little bit hard to do that way. Okay, so now we're gonna be adding a little bit of color to the face using this Natural Face palette from Too Faced. I really like this palette. It comes with bronzers, which you can see right here, blush, and also highlighters. So I'll be taking this shade to bronze up my face. And I'm gonna be using this brush from Milani. It says that it's for powder and bronzer. Okay, now for eyebrows, I'm gonna be taking these powders from Salon Perfect. It's the brand and you can find it at Walmart. It's super inexpensive and it comes with 2 shades. This one if you have really dark eyebrows like I do, but I also use this other shade if I don't want them to look really dark. So yeah, you can use either. I think I'm gonna be using this bottom shade. So the first thing you have to do is to brush your eyebrow so you can give it the shape you want. So I'll be taking that lighter shade and I'm just gonna be applying it just a little bit where just in the areas where I think I need a little bit more of hairs, which is on the top and also up front. Okay, now another new product and I'm super excited for this one. This is the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. I am so excited to use this palette. I haven't been able to use it because I was waiting to film a video for you guys, but we're gonna be opening it together. And these are the shades. These shades are perfect for your day and night looks. Yes, let me open it and I really don't know what look I'm gonna go for, but I'm excited. It comes with all these beautiful pictures of different places that you can travel to. I think that the idea is that you can take this palette anywhere with you and you're gonna have all the shades you need, so we'll see. First, it comes with this huge mirror, which I love. As you can see, guys, it's super colorful and super pretty. Okay, so I think for today we're gonna be using the brown shades, this one, Burgundy, that's called Hell Ride, maybe the orange one, and we are just gonna see. Okay, so first going in with this shade called Breakaway, I'm gonna be applying it all over my lid just as a base for our look. And now I'm gonna be using this one called Still Shot and I'm gonna be applying it on my crease. And now I'm just gonna be applying Hell Right also on the crease. These shadows are so pigmented, I really like them. Wow. To add some depth to the eye, I'm gonna be taking this shade called Punk, and I'm gonna be applying it on the outer corner of the eye. So the outer corner, and now I'm just gonna blend. I'm using the same brush to blend to see how it works. And so far, so good. Okay, so now for my lid, I'm gonna be taking the second shade. This one is called Stranded, and I wanna see how pigmented it is because it's a gold shimmery shade, and I just want to add that into this look. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it is really pigmented. As you can see, I'm just applying it. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful shade. So now we're gonna go back with Hell Right, and we're gonna apply it on the crease. And now we're gonna go back into the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna be taking this shade called Good as Gone, and it's a darker brown. Okay, so now for the bottom lash line, we're gonna be applying the same colors that we put on the crease. I'm gonna be taking this eyeliner from Marc Jacobs in the color Blacker, and this is gonna last you the whole night. Okay, so now for the wing, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. eyeliner. It's like $2 from Walmart, and it's super good. I love it. So this is the one that we're gonna be using. Okay, so now lashes, because I mean we did everything with the face, everything with the eyes. Of course we need some lashes. I'm gonna be using these new ones for me. I just got them from Walmart. These ones are the Adele Fox Mink Wispies, so we'll see how these ones look. And as always, my Kiss glue. Okay, so there we have our lashes. I'm just letting them dry. And now I'm gonna be using some highlighter. This is the Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. And now for mascara, I'll be taking the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And I'm gonna be applying it on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, so here is our makeup, and to finish everything, I'll be taking some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to set my makeup. So I was about to say goodbye and realized I don't have any lipstick on. Here it is. So I'll be using this new NARS lipstick in the shade Afghan Red, and it's just a super beautiful, gorgeous shade for the fall and winter time. Okay guys, so here is our finished makeup look. I am in love with that palette. I love the lipstick, the colors, the pigmentation, everything is just perfect. And okay, that's everything that I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!